Grandpa to have one. Hmm. Hmm. Of course, it's Ma'otsur, Rock of Ages. This is my grandmother's menorah, and I love it. And it goes right back to my childhood, so she had it before me, so it's getting pretty damn old. My mother sings this really well. In Hebrew, of course. Not me.